What up, guys? This is Dakota here, and today I'm going to show you some of my greatest Nerf guns. Let's get to it. So this first Nerf gun isn't really a Nerf gun. It is kind of like a Nerf gun. It's the Halo knife weapon. It's actually supposed to be a boom gun. It shoots out these plastic but rubber bullets on the front, and kind of like the Nerf guns. But this is my first one. Let's get to the next one. This Nerf gun isn't really a Nerf gun either, and this is a automatic shooter, so don't really press the trigger or anything.
Please whisper because the gun's getting that.
You don't press the trigger, you just pull this back. Then
Don't actually shoot it.
Then it reloads. Then you just keep doing that till you run out of ammo. Then you do this. Then you replace it with the next one. Then you just keep doing it again. I showed you. So let's get to the next weapon. I actually meant Nerf gun. Now this one is actually a Nerf gun. This, take this off. But this is the retaliator. That's what it probably says right here. But here's how you shoot the gun. Do this. Then there's a trigger right here. It's not like the automatic shooting gun like that. You push a trigger right here. That's where usual gun triggers are. And then, boom. And you can also get a close-up shot for your enemies, like this.
I said be whisper.
Then you can just do an a dramatic kind of thing. So let's get to the last Nerf gun, shall we? Actually, I'm going to show you two more. So this next one is the Iron Man hand. And you just do this. This is a shoot. And you can push this in, do this. You pull this back. Then you press the top one to shoot. So there isn't that much to it, but let's get on to the last one, Nerf gun. This last one is a gun that almost everyone probably has. It's the brain saw. This is the pullback and fire. There's also a chainsaw. Darn it. Okay, there's actually a chainsaw part right here. Which you can frighten friends with. So, that were some of my Nerf guns. If you like this video, please put a comment down below, and we'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.